direction.
Ogai mar jomin buche Renson Igonga odokne okang ma piny owacho kao mar donjone achije mabende noketho mwandu jopiny kendo nowang'o tisend obila e kinde ng'anyo kod ketho mar njore. Igonga owacho ni ng'ata mabende noketho mwandu jopiny kata wang'o tisend obila ibiro donjne kod ketho mar njore ma en kalure kod chik mane od bura okalo e higa mar 2014.
Terrorism is not only when you bomb using bombs, but if you make acts that are endangering human life, government installations, that is an act of terrorism. And we must understand that when we charge people, they must not always have guns or bombs for us to charge under that act. This is a law that was passed in 2014 by our legislature, and it is a law that is there. And it doesn't mean when a law has not been applied for some time, when you apply it, then it's not the law. That is the law. Any act that is against government installations is an act of terrorism.
Maibiro sechege mabende pod imedo se piny owacho kalure kod okang makamano ka Igonga to oramo ni sirkal biro kawo okang mager ne achijego.
The DPP does not work under any direction or authority of anything. And it doesn't mean that if demonstrations are against the executive, when the DPP makes a decision, it is from the executive. No, we make our own decision based on the law and evidence available.
Ode County Mahoma Bay kama